So you guys are probably wondering what we're doing out here at the car wash, and I got a DM a couple nights ago, and they said, hey, how do you wash your bike? And I said, well, that's easy. You can just take it to the car wash. Like, that's no big problem, right? Your bikes are designed to be outside. For the most part, they're waterproof. You know, don't go getting water in any crazy electronics like your ECU, but your bikes are waterproof. So I'm out here today to kind of show you guys how to wash your bike. So we'll take a little trip through and we'll get her all sprayed up and cleaned up and kind of give you guys a breakdown on what you need to do to keep your bike clean. Are you good? Yeah. All right. I think we're good. We got to roll in together, and we got to stay together. Better not hit me. That's not so bad.
Boots are full of water.
Oh, my shoes are full of water.
Well, we didn't get no bit drive.
Oh, I should have brought socks. I forgot socks.
Several days later.
Well, we've got some good stuff planned out. I got a DM from someone that I'd never met before in my life, and that's when I know that things are about to get exciting. So this one reached out to me because word is starting to spread. This one's just a little bit of electrical wiring type. They've got some sort of issue with their LED installation. I'm gonna take a look. I think they said something about needing the frame touch-up painted, which that's not really my thing, but I do know how to use touch-up paint kits. I mean, I've done multi-stage painting before, so I don't know if painting is something that I want to offer up, but we'll see what kind of size the task is. And then there was a mention of some fairings that just aren't, having some difficulty getting them installed, that kind of thing. So those are the 3 outline tasks. Everybody knows my rules. I will work on bikes for free, but in turn, you get to be on YouTube with me, and you got to get your hands dirty.
2 days later.
It looks like it's getting ready to rain, and the back of my car is soaked. But what we're doing today is we're gonna head out to it's a Suzuki something that needs some TLC. What is this? This is a Yamaha, right?
Yamaha 04 R6.
04 R6. YZF R6.
So we got that go to extra lights right up on right there. That's a nice little set you got there.
That's what I was talking about, the Allen keys.
Yeah, that's a nice little set.
So I got them clipped back together.
You think we need to put a bolt in there?
We do. Are there any side bolts to hold it?
No.
How much are these light kits?
I don't think they came on the bike. I purchased it from a guy out of Lincoln, Nebraska.
That's fancy. That's fancy as heck. So you're on here, you're on over there, you're on in the middle, and then you should have another one down here, you're saying? You can see that all we're doing is putting this front connector onto this wire. We've got this weird wiring situation going on. Next time I come by, we will bring drill bits. We can get a hole drilled somewhere here. I would imagine these go to some sort of central control box. So I'm gonna take a peek. The wiring in here, it's not very, very suspicious the way it's cut and spliced and crimped in here. Looks like there's a separate control module that would control the wires in the back and the wire in the front. That's cool. What made you want to get the bike?
Just doing something different. Next thing I'm gonna buy me of course I gotta buy me a trailer for my bike. So that's the next thing. I've been looking at some auctions.
So those are fusible links, and they gave you some sort of weird button. One of these buttons, I don't know if it's B, yeah. So you just turn off. A is on, and then I guess C is your different modes. No, D is your mode. These are the ones. Oh, it's going to my voice. Okay, that's cool. Well, I don't know where he put the remote. But we did clean up some of the wiring on his underglow. So now it's shining down towards the front wheel. So he's got the front wheel illuminated. We did the wiring that was never hooked up for his underglow kits. Do you have that remote? Hey, go ahead and kick it on. What is it, letter B? There it is. So right now he's got it in a soft glow, changing through the different colors. Good cycle. I've got ewer 1 tucked up over here onto the frame. Needs to cure and stick, but it'll give you glow over this. The way I've got your LEDs angled now, the ones that were just hanging with the sticker, I've got it shining down, so you'll have glow all through the front on this side. Oh, it's got a break in it.
Yeah.
Okay. We've got the tail all nice and tidy again, everything held into place. He had an issue where his battery box had dropped and it kicked out the whole tail piece. So we've tidied that up. So I'd say the only thing really left to do is what I was saying before, track down those screws for the front so we can get the front fairing clipped on, and then get you some sheathing for these wires so they're not rubbing, they don't rub through. It's good for like, I think it's good to like 1900 degrees Fahrenheit. So I use it to protect my wires from the engine, but it also just keeps everything nice and neat in a tight bundle so they're not rubbing through. Okay. Otherwise, Marcus, I think you're good to go. I think we've checked off all the boxes. Is there anything I'm forgetting?
No.
Cool. Then let's aim for a Wednesday sync up. I get off of work at 6. Does that fit your schedule?
Same here.
Cool.
I work from home actually, so
that's awesome.
I'm training for a postal inspector, so I got to work
Oh wow.
from home.
Cool.
Yeah, I got to work from home, so I'll definitely be here, brother.
Okay, well then I'm just gonna clean up and then I'll be out of your hair and then we'll see if we can sync up and do a ride.
I'm definitely ready.
The next day.
I was gonna head up to the Cycle Gear event. Is that where you were going? Cool. Like, I recognize you from somewhere, but my brain is struggling.
No.
And I don't know what it is. I'm Marcus, though. Nice to meet you. Yeah, that name. All right. Yep. It's something. Yep. You guys been out here long or what? That's not too bad. I'm going to go in, say hi to Leslie and James, and just kind of see who else is out here as well. But Sage, I'm going to work on my brain. It's in there somewhere. How's it going, man? Yeah, that's the shit I like to see. I seen you up ahead and I was like, I gotta catch up with him.
Oh, yeah.
And there's GoPro.
Oh, yeah.
We'll have to change footage out later.
Oh, yeah, but wow.
So, cheeseburger pizza. What? How long you guys been out here? An hour. Oh, not so bad. It's a good day though. Oh, sorry. I don't know you like I know him, so. Hey! Hey, you know, I just got off of work, zoomed over here, bumped into some hooligan, and I was like, oh, I like him.
You already get in the giveaway?
No, I gotta scan the QR code though.
Yeah, we got it.
It's over here now? Alright. Hey! Scan the QR code. And then we gotta find any nitwits that haven't scanned it yet. Hey! Did you scan the QR code in there and get entered in? Yep. Cool. I took like 20 photos. Wide. I took it with the wide. I took it up zoomed in,
Perfect.
medium.
You wanna
So
just send them to me?
yeah, I will. Well,
There it is.
on up.